Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a VR for Craft On and a VR for Crafting with Fury. So let's go ahead and start with Craft On. So I am sending her a chunky charm that I made, I believe, last month. I'm also sending her some goodies from our friend Anna, who has been going through surgery. If you've been following, you know who Anna is, and she has sent me tons of goodies, and I promise to share with all of my swappers and friends and people who I'm entering challenges with. So I'm sending her some of that. I can't show you the chunky charm because I already closed it up. However, let's get into what the VR is. So her challenge is to make miniatures. So it's a mini challenge. And so my miniature is right here, and it's very small. It's just some flags and some rosettes. And this is so tiny. Let me check and see. It is a 2.5 by 3.5 little box. So super tiny. And let's go ahead and get into it. I just love it. It's so cute. Someone once asked me, how do you do it? How do you come up with stuff and make things and be creative? And I told her, I enter challenges. If you enter challenges, it kind of challenges you to be creative. And if I did not enter Tree's challenge, I would have not known how to make miniatures. So I love these miniatures. I've made miniature rosettes before, but I don't know, something about these ones are just a little bit different. I think it's the snowflake that's behind the rosette. So made her these right here. That's packed with a snowflake, and on top a little snowflake. I am using the Sizzix dies for this. And for your snowflake, I'm using this die right here. For the larger snowflake, I'm using this die right here. So very miniature little embellishments, which I absolutely love. Okay, so next I made her our miniature flags, and you guys, look how many these are. So they're so tiny. Let me check the size. I mean, 2.25 by 1. 2.25 by 1. So they're very miniature, and then they're so cute. I love them. They're absolutely cute. Such little tiny embellishments. And on the back, what I added here, let's see, I'm trying to get, okay, so on the back is a sticker. I used a sticker from Hobby Lobby. It's a Christmas sticker. Then the flag, then another sticker, then this little deer. And deer is from a Sizzix die as well, which you guys know I love Sizzix. So there's the deer right there. And they're so miniature. So here they are made the same, a sticker, the flag, and then another sticker, and then the little reindeer die cut. So cute, so miniature. I put it in this little box. This is a paper clip box, and so if you guys have, you guys buy any paper clips, be sure to keep these little tiny boxes. They come in handy. You just never know what you're going to use them for, and so I'm so glad I had that still, and I was able to use this on Tree's challenge. Okay, you guys, check out Craft On. Her name is Tree. She's having a mini challenge, and that is my entry right there. So cute, miniature. Okay, so next is Diane, Crafting with Fury. Okay, you guys have to brace yourself because I made something that I do not make, and I'm crafting for her. So it's very out of my element, and it's not something that I craft. So her challenge is an ATC or a index card, I believe. And I will have both of them linked below, so you guys check out their challenges and check out the rules. And so this is my ATC card. Diane loves steampunk, so I made her a steampunk ATC. And there it is right there. And yeah, I have no idea what I used, where papers are from, because it's so out of my element. But I'm very happy with it because I've never crafted steampunk before, and it's not something that's in my crafty So, okay. So she loves Halloween also, and so I made her a Halloween bag topper right there, and I'm using some bag topper that someone gifted me. So I actually didn't make this one. Yeah, I didn't make this one. Scratch that. So someone gifted me this, and I can't remember who, but I'm finally using it, and this is something that's, yeah, someone gifted me. So I also made her a dangle, and again, steampunk. You can't really, I can't take it out because I taped it all up already, but that is another thing that I made for her, steampunk. Again, she loves Halloween, so I am sending her this, and I completely forgot what's in here, so let's go ahead and check it out. I've been gathering, oh yeah, okay, I remember this. So I went to Halloween Spirit, or Spirit Halloween, I can't remember the name, but I went there, I think in August. I think it was August, or the beginning of September, and I found all of these steampunk gears and keys, so I picked those up for her, and then some earrings, which she could completely take apart and use as charms. So hopefully she'll do that. So yeah, I picked these up back then. I was going to send her some boo mail, but unfortunately I was unable to make boo mail for people, so I had too much stuff on my plate. My mini series, a swap that I have yet to receive from overseas, and other challenges that I had to enter. So no boo mail this year. I was so sad about that. But glad I'm able to enter Trees and Diane's challenge. And so this is my entry for her. And so this one is Trees right here. So completely different, from steampunk to pinks. So that is my challenge. Hopefully you guys will check them out, and I will have them linked below. Thank you so much for watching, and please let them know I sent you if you go on over there. Okay, bye.